Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear messages in all chats at once in WhatsApp for Android. So this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to find your WhatsApp on your Android device and then tap on it to open it. So let me find mine. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened and you can see I have this chats screen opened and you can see I have 3 chats over here. You might have more or less. Okay, so if I open this chat, you can see I have these messages over here. And also if I go back, let me open this second chat. You can see I have these messages in this second chat. Let me go back. Let me open this third chat. You can see I have these messages. So let me go back. So in order to clear all these messages in all chats at once, what you need to do, you have to tap on this 3 dots at the top right. Let me tap on this. And after that, you have to tap on this settings and then tap on this chats and then tap on this chat history at the bottom. And you can see I have this chat history screen opened. And you can see guys on this screen, we have 4 options: export chat, archive all chats, clear all chats, and delete all chats. So what you need to do, you have to tap on this clear all chats. So let me tap on this. And you can see guys, I have this pop-up screen opened. Clear messages in chats. Messages in all chats will disappear forever. And also here we have 2 more options. The first one is delete media in chats. So suppose if you want to do that, then you can check this box by tapping on it. So let me tap on this because I want to delete that. And if you don't want to do that, then you can uncheck this box. So just tap on this in order to uncheck that. You can see it's now unchecked. But I want to delete media in chats also. So let me tap on this. And in the same way, here we have second option, delete starred messages. So if you want to do that, you can check this box, or if you don't wanna, then you can leave this unchecked. So I want to do that. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now checked. And after you're done setting up these options, you can just tap on this clear messages, this link. So let me tap on this. It's processing and it's now done. So let's go to the chats screen and let's see whether it's done or not. So let me go back. Let me go back again. Let me go back again. Okay. You can see I'm on this chats screen. And if I open this first chat, you can see messages are cleared. Let me go back. Let me open this second chat. You can see messages are cleared. Let me go back. Let me open this third chat. You can see messages are cleared. So let me go back. So that's it. In this way, you can easily clear messages in all chats at once in WhatsApp for Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.